This is all new makeup. I have not even opened yet. This is not good. Yeah. It's not good enough for me since I'm done with you. So today, my original plan after work was to clean up, get everything together, but of course that did not go as planned. I fell asleep. I got on YouTube, watched some Netflix, and then now we're here. So I actually do not feel like doing this right now. I have cramps, so it's like I really don't feel like doing anything. But anyway, the room that I'm in, this used to be my favorite room in the house, but now it's like it looks horrible. This is actually a storage for Bourgeois Boutique. This is my makeup side, and it's also where I film majority of my YouTube videos. So right now this room look a hot mess, so I'm gonna break it up in days. Since it's my situation, I'm gonna break it up in days. Today I'm just gonna organize my makeup, and then tomorrow I clean up everything else, organize my shoes and all that, and then I'll go to the main room the following day. Yeah, that's the order I'm gonna do it. I got this from Amazon. I love it. It makes me look so professional. So let's get started. Or you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's start on this side. And literally all these are from Amazon. All the acrylic holders. This is all new makeup. I have not even opened yet. This is not good. Like, and I still have more in here. You know what? That's one of the, I'm gonna try. Yeah, it's nothing I can do actually. This is bad. But yeah, I'm gonna have to start using my makeup. This is ridiculous. What color is this? Oh, Snob. This is Snob. It's a pretty pink color. You know what? I need to use this. I'm gonna leave this out. So I have it in packages. Now you know I'm a true hoarder when you got stuff in packages. Oh, folks, this is another. Oh, I never used this one. Look at it. Can you guys see it? You know, like in the beginning of my job, I used to always wear makeup. So now it's like I don't wear makeup. I just get up and go. But now I really need to change that. All this makeup needs to be used immediately. Okay, so let me see how I'm gonna do this. See, I'm so bad on order. I need to clean my beauty blender. Please don't judge me. This is trash. Oh, Fenty Beauty. Look how dirty it is. But this is the famous one that everyone has. I like to wear this as the eyeshadow. It's an orange color. I used to do other people's makeup. I need to like freelance. I need to get back into that. so I can start using this makeup, so just hoarding. Oh my god, I just cut my finger too. Okay, I just cut my finger on my little, on my this, can you guys see it? This, it broke. I bought this from Walmart. I guess I stuffed it with too many of these rocks, and it broke. So I liked how it looked, just hanging like this, so I left it. But I just cut my finger. I need to get a band-aid and clean this real quick. Okay. Let me be back. Let me try to clean my finger real quick. Guys, what a day. Alright, let me put this on my finger real quick. Okay, I'm back. This looks worse than it really is, but I just realized I don't have any band-aids, so I have some gauze and I have tape. I'm just gonna keep this on here for a minute. And let's go continue. Let's see if I can just zoom in. Would that be better? No, it's not. It's worse. Okay. So, I'm just putting... I can't remember what I left off at, but... this is the brow pencil I always use, which is... Can you guys see it? It's Spike by MAC. I live by it. So I'm just gonna... I'm almost done, surprisingly, and that's good because I don't feel like doing this all day. I really don't. Not right now. Probably should show you guys where I got everything, huh? That'd be nice. Okay, let's talk about... I know in the beginning I said majority of everything is from Amazon, but majority is everything. Everything is majority is from Amazon. I think should I give you a quick tour? I probably should, huh? That'd be nice. Let's start from this side. Okay, so I try to keep the packages in here. Keep the packages, I mean the makeup that I need to use over right in here so I can really see it. I need to see it. If I don't see it, I will not use it. Like I said, I'll forget about it. This is my Prep and Prime. I use this. I have two extra ones right next to each other back here too. So this makeup acrylic holder, well, lipstick acrylic holder is from Amazon. I don't recommend you guys buy this because it can't hold, like, for instance, like if I want to have my lipsticks upside down, it can't fit all the way in. So I just use it up, see, and then you see how that moves. I just keep it upside down so I can see the name of stuff easily. In the beginning, I used to put it in alphabetical order, but I'm not as anal anymore, so I try to put it by the color. But anyway, I used to be addicted to MAC lipsticks. So let's go down to, let me move this over. Alright, hold on. This mini one, of course, is from Amazon. This is how it looks. I put my liquid lipsticks in here, lip glosses, and all that jazz up in here. Color Rain is one of my favorite lipsticks to use for, this look ugly, I'm trying to move my hand. So Color Rain is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks I like to use. I have a lot of those, and actually NYX is too. Well, it's not liquid. This is it's like the, what is it? The lip cream, that's what they call it. I love theirs. Oh, okay, everything's falling out. I already showed you guys this little holder thing. Let's move over. This mirror lights up both sides. I rarely use it this side. I always have it on this side. Of course, it's from Amazon. I'll put the link for everything on here. I like it. It's not as bright when I first bought it because I bought some batteries to replace it, but it was just it wasn't the ones. I'm sorry, my neighbors are loud. Okay, so like I said, this light is not as bright as it was in the beginning, but I bought the same exact ones, so I'm trying to wait till this burn out to use the new ones I bought from Amazon. Like, Amazon literally is my best friend. This is actually, I use it as decoration, but it's actually a bracelet. I love skulls. I love this. It looks so cute. So I just have it right here chilling in the back. And okay, so both of these, like I said, these, can you see it? Both of these are from Walmart. You can find this anywhere. Yeah, you can find it. You can find it anywhere. I got this little cute little, this thing right here that hold my beauty blender is was only $1 at the online beauty store that I always shop at, which is IK House. I had a few tutorials with them already. This, can you guys see it? This little makeup tray. My dog's over there. This little makeup tray, I bought this from Target. It's dirty. It has makeup residue in it, but it gets the job done. It holds it holds everything, so it's easy for me to just grab and go. And I have bought these cute little, actually I don't remember when I bought these at, but I bought two. I have another one hanging in the back for my lip pencils, and this is just for, you know, miscellaneous, I guess. Yeah, more pencils, miscellaneous stuff. I'll just put it in here, and it's right next to my speaker. Yeah, and that's it. My makeup brushes are from MAC. I need to wash them, and I'll probably do another tutorial on how I wash my brushes, because I just bought a little kit. This is Sigma makeup kit. The wash your brushes kit. I'll probably do a tutorial on how I do it, how I wash them. So yeah, that's it, and I will see you guys tomorrow because I need to relax.